She's on now.
Bananas kick the ball of you.
Oh, right, that's what I'm saying.
Should drop at least still be there. No, I know it should be there.
Can't
Oh,
have it.
don't be cheeky, huh?
No, I'm looking at the thing. You ain't got it.
I can't have it again. I'll sort the back
No,
out.
on the when
No,
you bite.
that doesn't come off, but
No, I don't know.
it's off.
Alright.
It's pretty loose. Is it good to take it off? Yeah. Better.
Right.
Good size.
I'll look the down and up. Looks about right, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Check the fucking.
Ready? Good power.
Can't see him, man. It's gone.
It's lovely, isn't it?
I like them stick, huh?
Turns is good today as well.
I know he's done it.
Yeah, you do, yeah, great.
You're mad as well.
Wind then.
Yeah, look.
Seems to twitch it in.
Oh yes. Daddy, yeah. I'm saying, can I run?
No, run.
Daddy, can you go out there?
Don't talk to Dad.
She's concentrating.
Oh,
Stay there. Stay around the edges, go to the bottom, down there, look. Wider down there, look. Awesome landing.
Ah, is the wind a bit? But
Think you went funny, like?
because you leave the power go, is the wind getting under it a bit?
I totally missed that. Eh?
Grab it.
Oh, when are you going to land? We can fucking look, man.
Just land it down. Just feel it down in it. On this side, like, go down and around and then come up there. Sharp as fuck.
And fins work good, doesn't he?
Sharp as fuck. You don't lose no like ground then. You don't dip. Doesn't dip because it goes so fast. On the game it's so slow. We like wants to like go down and have it, doesn't it?
Where are they all? Watch it.
They're alright. I got some.
Yeah, they're sorry about
Where you do go upside down and press down. Then go upside down and press up.
I reckon them stickers are awesome, huh? See underneath it now?
You see it better in the sky because it's black and all, right?
It's just.
Coming from Daddy,
I know.
I know, I want to do this vertical a bit.
Fuck.
You've got to see where you are then. This is where you are. Calm a bit. Roll in a bit.
Watch it, he's fucking close there.
Roll into it there.
Can we do a little bit?
See ya?
Oh yeah.
Can we do a little bit?
Yeah.
Ready for one,
That's it.
That's better.
That'll look better and you can see it. Zoom in a bit as you think this.
We're at full power on here.
Crazy though.
Winding isn't much of an issue with this on the power.
Yesterday you could feel it, but
And weight
it
as
was
well.
quite windy.
Because it's heavy as well now, so heavier.
How long's that been going, Carl?
6 minutes 23:4.
They go off them TM.
Yeah, just stay on the edge.
Oh, it does it easy as fuck. Oh, phone is ringing.
We won't go that.
What's my phone doing? Look. It's probably data now.
Get her in.
Does what you want, that's good enough. Wouldn't want any better. And the 4L is better now. It's nuts.
I know. Get her in, Carl.
I'm not available.
Yo G, what's up? Oh, I knew you was more. It's Neil. It's fucking Gavin is on there now, flying in. Where you two at?
They'll go over there.
Oh, you yeah. You heard it, yeah. Pop down. It's only the first battery, you got 2 more left, so plenty of power. See you in a minute now. All right. Okay, I knew you were going to say that. I knew you were going to say, oh, I'm up. Oh, he's quite
Yeah, it's
clean
gone
fan.
Where is he?
now. It's gone now.
Where's he to?
Sisters, you can hear it up with
I was
sisters.
thinking I was going to say he might be down sisters, you can hear it like. You hear it screaming through the sky. Smooth landing there from pilot. Deep breath.